Hey guys, my name is Ken, and today I'll be doing a quick unboxing, install, and a review for the CG Lock racing harness. Right off the bat, you will see the quality in the design. It feels sturdy, and for some reason this kind of reminds me of the airplane seatbelts. This kit includes everything that you need for the install. It comes with instructions, 3 sets of screws, and an Allen wrench. No modification needed, although this kit is only compatible on a single pass tongue seatbelt. As you can see, there are 3 sets of screws that has different lengths depending on how thick is the tongue of your seatbelt. As for my BRZ, I'll be using the medium-sized screw. It is also best if you thread in the screws enough just to hold the clamp piece. Now line up the CG lock into the back of the seatbelt's tongue, making sure it is on the center. Tighten screws with a supplied Allen wrench. Snug one screw, then the other. Alternate between screw to tighten evenly, and do not over-tight. Install the slide by depressing the lever, then push the slide into the channel all the way onto the main body evenly. Then release the lever to lock it in place. At this point, the installation is complete and we are ready to test it. Okay guys, the function of the seatbelt is pretty simple. You just pull the seatbelt out to tighten the lower part of the seatbelt. Normally, without the CG lock, you can freely move your hips because of the slack. But with the help of this lock, it will keep you in place. And if you don't want to use the lock without uninstalling it, you can just depress the lever, then pull the slide out, then your seatbelt will just work normally. Unfortunately, this will not work as good as a real racing harness, but it definitely gets the job done for when you just want to have a fun, spirited driving onto the twisty back roads and mountain pass. What I like about this lock is it's cheap and it works. There you go guys, I hope this video will help you. And again, thanks for watching and have a nice day.